Guys, I got my Pro Comp shocks back from Vinyl Works. What is up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. I have a truck full of lumber. Aaron's truck full. My truck's nowhere to be found. So I think you guys know what that means. So I am on my way to go meet Aaron, head to Damon's shop. So we have some progress on a couple things that I can't wait to show you guys. So it's getting pretty late. I was wrapped up with everything with my online store today, posting a lot of new arrivals and things like that. So tonight we are getting started on the build. So let's go. Peace up. A-Town down. Hey, where you going? Clover, do you want to be on the vlog? Sure. Oh my gosh, it's Molly. And Matt.
Snap.
Molly had a little injury. Oh, she's peeing just fine, back to normal. Yep, looking good, Molly. She had a little injury. She might have jumped out of the truck.
You're on camera. Hey.
Oh God, she's still peeing. Oh no, is she okay? That's really pitiful. Okay, now I feel bad. No, she good. She good. She's just a little wobbly.
She was like, oh, I had some a little bit left
She's like, oh, I'm good. All right, so Matt decides to park across the street anytime there's any kind of inconvenience in the driveway. Okay. All right, we got paint ready to go. We got our wood. So girl's about to look a lot different. Neighbors are gonna hate me. It's fine. Got the Dentside pulled in. You ready to paint, Clover?
I want to.
And then my little F-350 baby looking pretty sad up in here. But she's about to be a whole lot bigger. Got all kinds of fun projects in here.
Yeah, we need to get all this stuff out of here.
Yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, when 2/3 of it are mine, it's a problem. All right, so went to take out the bolts. They're all crap.
Yeah, great.
Stripped, rusted.
Yeah.
Of the sort.
Yeah, and they won't hold in the wood.
So.
Carriage bolts and your wood's old and crappy and they just spin in there. We have no way of really holding them.
No.
Yeah, great.
Good times.
Great times.
$5 fucking dollars.
Oh, just grab a pizza?
I would just get you guys pizza for helping me.
Do they? Oh.
She's gonna start talking.
She's going for the vlog.
I am dying.
She's like, yeah, I know. No, it's just more of a hassle than.
Yeah, no, I feel ya.
That's why I was kind of like, maybe we should refinish them and then
Yeah.
replace bushings like the same.
Let's paint them and see what they look like.
Yeah, if it looks like shit, it looks like shit.
Yeah.
I don't think we'll Clover quit renegading for her.
I'm not renegading.
It's the only skill saw we got right now.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, this little thing boogie. Did you? Oh, I pull that leaf out. Don't want to snap.
Alright guys, so now that I have the wood all stripped out, which was a task, I'm going to spray it down really good and then sand it, touch up the paint, and then we're gonna install some new wood. So one of many steps, but it's pretty clean under here. It's kind of everything needs cleaned up and smoothed out, so. All right, so we are dropping the bumpers off at Damon's. So, okay, you can take it off now if you want. You can go now.
I can go now?
You can go now.
Yeah, I'm going.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah, it's good. So I powder coated them because it's always a good base to paint on. I did it with Prismatic Powder's Cadillac Gray because it is the closest color that I have found for the Ford like tri-coat metallic gray, but it's not exact. So I was going to powder coat them anyways, and before he paints them, so we're going to do the paint color so that way it's an exact match, but I wanted to do the gray underneath in case they get scratched or anything, then it doesn't stick out so much as far as just like regular primer. So I'm excited. They actually turned out really good, and I wish I could just keep them exactly how they are right now because they're really shiny and pretty. So, got one of the tires mounted to do a mock-up on the old girl, but the tire shop kind of effed the back of the wheels pretty good, not gonna lie. Not super happy about that, guys. Not super happy about it, but yeah, I guess that's just gonna have to be touched up with some paint. What do you think of the wheels, Damon?
It reminded me of that windbreaker my mom made me wear when I was a little kid all the time.
Yes, that's the exact vibe I was going for.
First thing that comes to mind.
It is lift kit time today. Whoop, whoop. So excited. Brutus is over there drinking water, being loud. Oh, bless you. So we've got the Pro Comp shocks that are wrapped, powder coated lift. I am stoked. Hi guys, it's me in editing. I realized that I don't have an ending for this video, like most videos, but I wanted to tell you that you're going to see more progress on the Dentside and the F350 here first, and also at Daytona Truck Meet, which is in less than 2 weeks. I will be completely revealing the F350 there. As far as for the Dentside, if you haven't heard, I'm giving it away, and you can enter the giveaway at lacyblairco.com. I'll put the link in the description box. We're only doing 300 entries, and there's not many more left. So you guys have a really high chance of winning. I want one of you to have it. So go to my website, check it out, get your entry. We'll be mailing out the entry numbers here soon once all of the entries are taken and accounted for, and we'll be doing a completely live, random live game to choose the winner, and I will be personally delivering it to you. I think that's all I have here for you guys. I'm excited for you to see the end result of both builds. So keep an eye out. Just making sure your eyesight's good.